Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Gagne Farms. We are in a little bit of a time crunch right now. We've got some things we need to harvest in this garden right now, and it's going to rain in just a few minutes. I think we have enough time where we can get this harvested before it rains on us. Let's go. So it's already sprinkled a little bit out here. That's okay. It's really gonna rain here fast though, and we wanna get this garlic pulled. This stuff is done, and you can tell when the leaves are starting to brown. These are probably a little bit past done, but you want a few of the green leaves on top too, like this one. So you have about 4 or 5 green leaves on top, and the rest of them are browning. The ends are curling. So this stuff's done. We're gonna get this pulled before it rains. Let's get going. I can hear it sprinkling right now. I want to get this pulled before it starts raining, and we don't want it to be real wet out here. So that's the whole point of getting this pulled up. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's a very nice bulb right there. This year, I didn't cheap out. I actually went to a reputable seed garlic company, and we got seed garlic. I've in the past used store-bought garlic and just planted it. I bought garlic off of Amazon. I wasn't real impressed with that. Look at that. That's beautiful. So this year I said, all right, we're gonna spend the extra few bucks, and we are gonna go out and get the proper seed garlic that we need for our garden. And this has proven so far, oh yeah, this has proven so far right here to be a good choice for sure. Now you want to get your garlic in the ground. We try to plant ours before Halloween, and that way it's got all winter to get kind of tucked in. Well, it was a 2 for 1. Look at that. I don't know how that happened, but it did. Yeah, you want to get your garlic in the ground, like I say, before Halloween. I've planned it later and still got garlic. This year, I did it by the book. I planned when I was supposed to. I planted the right garlic when I was supposed to. And it seems like it's worked out. It's paid off in spades. Look at that. Oh, so awesome. This year, we were also able to harvest garlic scapes, and Candace made a whole lot of recipes with the scapes this year. She made some beautiful pesto. It was so awesome. She ate a lot of it. We actually had so much that we got to freeze some of it. Look at that. So we froze some of our pesto, and then she also froze some of our scapes. She took the scapes and kind of chopped them up into maybe 1 inch, 2 inch long pieces, and then just froze them so we can put them in soups or whatever throughout the winter, and we have fresh scape. Man, these are not disappointing at all. This whole row has been awesome. We got some smaller ones coming up here on this end, but that's okay. That's still bigger than that right there. Is the smallest ones I've pulled so far. Probably bigger than anything I pulled last year altogether. Not gonna lie. Look at that. We are almost done here. I can hear that rain picking up. I'm gonna show you guys the next step here in just a minute. We're gonna finish pulling all this, and then we are gonna start the curing process, okay? All right, we're back here at the pole barn. I just got an old, well, it's an old screen off a window, and I just got it laid out, and we are gonna plant, oh, I'm sorry. We're gonna lay these out, spread these guys out as evenly as possible. Give them some room, let them breathe a little bit, because we're gonna have these guys drying out here for, a couple weeks at least, probably 2 to 3 weeks. So we're gonna get these guys all spread out. And it gets pretty warm here in the barn, usually when it's not raining like today. We have the doors open, and there's a good breeze through here, and gets a lot of ventilation. And that's what you want. You want lots of ventilation around these guys. Let them dry out nice and good. Look at that. Look at all this garlic, guys. This is amazing. There we go. Look at all that garlic. All right, we just got that garlic inside on our screens, curing out, and I'll show you the next step in a few weeks when that stuff gets done curing, and we'll go from there. But we've got this small section of bed right here now that we can flip over and do some fall planting in. I'm really excited about that. It's just starting to rain. I appreciate you guys hanging out and pulling some garlic with me this morning before we get a torrential rain. There's thunderheads. It's coming. All right, we'll catch you on the next one.
There's not a part of me that wants to say no. But I have realized I had to let go. 'Cause something's broken.